Installing Anaconda. Anaconda is a comprehensive tool. It contains libraries, integrated development environments, web-based tools, including Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Labs. There's also Spider and command prompts, all of these different tools to run and execute Python code. One caveat is that we've had a major advancement in technology from Anaconda Inc. They've launched Anaconda Cloud, and this is a tool where you can go directly to a web browser, set up a free account, and you can code and execute code from your web browser. So in this case, nothing to download. You have immediate access to an interpreter. It is an amazing innovation. Part of the reason is because usually you can only get this sort of effect with markup languages. So going to a website like w3schools.com, you can code in HTML or CSS and immediately see it. But usually you're going to need an interpreter or a compiler. This is an innovative setup or advance from Anaconda Cloud. So if you choose to use that instead of installing it directly on your machine, or if you don't have a machine to directly install it or have those rights to do so, I encourage you to try Anaconda Cloud. And again, that's anaconda.cloud. It's .cloud instead of .com. So in this case, for those installing, we can just start with Google. You can choose to go directly to the site. Here's an example of Ajax of Google Suggest. So we'll just click search for Python Anaconda Cloud or Anaconda Download. We'll go to the free download page. Anaconda immediately identifies if your operating system is Windows or Mac. So in this case, I'm downloading it for Windows. You just click the download. You should see it. Depending on your browser, Google Chrome, Firefox, you can go to your downloads folder, click the anaconda.exe file, and you should get a prompt. Click Next. There's going to be a license agreement. After you review it, click I agree. The installation is going to be just for you, and then you can click Next. It's going to indicate the destination folder, which is probably the C drive for Windows users. Then there's going to be, after clicking Next, installation options. You could choose the already selected generic options and then click Install. The installation could potentially take anywhere from a couple minutes to potentially 50 minutes. As I've observed in classes that I've given live, it really just depends. But after it's been installed, we should be ready and good to go.